Some people may have already felt the gusts of winds today, and they're only expected to get stronger throughout the night with the drop in those temperatures. And that's a recipe that could bring some trouble with it. 2 News reporter Julian Jackson joins us now live in studio to share what you need to know before winds pick up. Julian?
Hey, Sartaj. Some of these gusts were fairly intense while I was walking the dog this afternoon. Then when I got into my truck to come to work on 75, it felt like I was getting shoved off of the roadway. And of course, one of the main concerns with strong winds are power outages. 2 News caught up with AES Ohio this morning to check in on how the company is preparing for any power outages. Director of Communications Mary Ann Cable says crews are fully staffed and monitoring the weather daily. But keep in mind, any gust of more than 40 miles per hour could cause utility lines to move around and branches to fall, then knocking out power. AES says there are some things you can do just in case. It's wise to keep your electronics charged and have emergency kit with blankets and flashlights along with non-perishable food items. Also, think about those holiday decorations that are outside. Those could become hazardous quickly with windy weather.
If you have any items that are on your yard or hanging in some different areas of your home, you might want to consider with those exterior decorations in securing them, or maybe not blowing up the blow-ups or taking some of the things down that are hanging that might be susceptible to the wind.
If your power goes out, you want to report it immediately by calling AES Ohio at 8774-OUTAGE or online at aesohio.com/outage. Next at 10 on Dayton CW, we're hearing from Ohio State Highway Patrol on best driving practices as strong winds move through the area. Live in studio, Julian Jackson, 2 News.
All right, thank you, Julian. Here's a live look at AES's power outage map. As you can see, we do have some customers without power right now here in the Miami Valley. Now, we're going to keep tracking these power outages throughout the night as wind advisories continue to be in effect.